Hi friends, in this video I am going to open this Sony battery recharger. Then I am going to check what is inside. Okay, so first we need to remove all these batteries. Then remove these 3 screws. We have to use this type screwdriver. Remove these 3 screws. Then we can open it like this. So these are the internal components of this Sony battery recharger. You can see the LEDs here. Okay, so let me close it. Okay, done. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.